Have you ever been excited to generate your app's APK, only to be hit with an error that stops you in your tracks? It's frustrating, right? If you're facing the issue of a missing react.gradle file in React Native, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this problem together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're following documentation step by step, and suddenly an error pops up. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered this issue while trying to build their React Native apps. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently reported that after following the React Native documentation to generate an APK, they encountered an error stating that the react.gradle file does not exist. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? The missing react.gradle file usually indicates an issue with your project setup or the way React Native is installed. We'll break it down step by step to help you resolve this. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with the missing react.gradle file, the user should first ensure that React Native is properly installed in their project. This can be done by checking the node modules directory. If the React Native package is installed, the user should check the path in the build.gradle file. They need to ensure that the path to react.gradle is correct. Next, the user should clean the project to remove any cached files that might be causing the issue. This can be done using the Gradle clean command. After cleaning, the user should try rebuilding the project. This can be done by running the assemble command in the terminal. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may need to reinstall the React Native package. This can help resolve any installation issues. Fun fact, did you know that React Native was developed by Facebook and is used in many popular apps like Instagram and Airbnb? You're in good company. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that simply running npm install may not resolve the issue. Instead, they recommend installing the Android CLI for React Native by running npm install at reactnative-community/platform-android. After that, you should run npm install again. They also mentioned that running these commands as an administrator solved the problem for them. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding the react.gradle file to your React modules. Once you do this, you should run your project again, and it should resolve the issue. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the error may be due to missing node modules in your project directory. They recommend running either yarn install or npm install to create the node modules, and then you can proceed to run your application in Android Studio. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One user shared an alternative solution for the issue with react.gradle not being found. They mentioned using Yarn workspaces, which installs node modules at the workspace root. This can confuse Gradle, especially on Windows, as it also references files inside node modules. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always ensure your dependencies are up to date. Regularly check for updates to avoid missing files and compatibility issues. And there you have it. You should now be able to generate your APK without any issues. Remember, keeping your project dependencies updated is key. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your React Native app.